Now that you have your first 5 keywords, you've got to be able to optimize your sites for those keywords so that when somebody puts one of your keyword phrases in the search engines, they find your site. Now, depending on what kind of site you have will depend on how you do this. Let's talk about doing on-page optimization for blogs, sales pages, content sites, etc. So like my page here, this would be just a regular old sales page, okay? The New Age Hippie is a blog. Content sites can be ran on a blog. I recommend that you put all your content sites on a blog. Then there's catalog sites like, let me see if I can find a resale rights products. I think there's a catalog site. Nope, that's not right. Maybe it's this one. Yes, here we go. So this would be a catalog type site. If you go here, you click ebooks with resales rights, silver members. Looks like this is kind of like a membership catalog type site. But here, if this was a catalog type site, there'd be like a price here. You could click add to cart, go through here and go, okay, I want this one too, add to cart. That's a catalog type site. These sites can be ran on a blog. The only blog platform I use is WordPress. I don't teach with anything else, but there's all kinds of different catalog type sites out there. I don't personally recommend using a catalog type site, and we'll get into that once we get further into this coaching, but basically you want your site to serve one purpose, buy one product, sign up for one thing, just do one thing on your site and not have all these options. You give people too many options, they get confused and they leave your site, okay? So that's why I don't recommend these. So you need to either have your site on a blog, like a platform like WordPress, or you need to have just a regular HTML site. And this is what this sales page is. It's just a regular HTML site. You can put your sales pages on blogs too, but I don't. This is how I do all of my sales pages, squeeze pages, stuff like that, okay? Blogs are what I just call, they're a CMS, or content management system. So I use them for all my content sites, okay? So let's first start with dog walking riches. Now you're going to have to be able to go in here and edit the information on this page. You're going to need to have, some kind of FTP program or hire someone to do the following for you. So I'm going to go into my niche folder here. Now what I need to do is I need to find my site for this. I got it buried in here. And I want to bring up my index page. So I'm going to do edit. Now right here where it says title, dog walking riches, I want to use my dog walking keyword. So let's go get those. So here's my dog walking keywords. So let's see here. I've got dog walking jobs, dog walking services, dog walking business. I think I'm going to optimize this main page for dog walking business. It doesn't have the highest searches, but it's got some of the highest searches, but it's the most relevant. So I'm going to copy that. And here, I'm going to put in my title, dog walking business. Do how to start a dog walking business. So your main keyword is going to go on within your title tags, okay? Now there's some other things that you can do as far as, like meta keywords and description and stuff like that. If you want to put that in here, that's fine. Let me show you how to do that. Let's look up meta description. I haven't done these in so long. Let me just look through here real quick. HTML meta element. So we got meta name equals description, content equals, so we'll need that. So take that, copy that. I'm going to put it right underneath where my title is. So just paste that right in there. And here we'll be putting in what this site is about, okay? And then we have the next element here, which is meta name is keywords. This is where our keywords are going to go into, okay? So I'm going to take this, put it in there, and now these keywords that I have, I want to take these and turn them into keywords that I can just put in there. Now I think, don't quote me, that Micro Niche Finder will do this for you. Let's open up the dog walking one that I did here, and we will take a look. Let's do dog walking. We'll open that one up, and let's check all. And let's see what our options are here. Excuse me, guys. So we're going to do export all results, checked results, filter results, more actions. I thought there was a way. Phrases, counts, commercial, add, checked to project. Let's see if we click on this. Create tags. Create tags from checked phrases. There we go. Tags have been created from all checked phrases on this page. Let's see if we just paste those. Yep, there we go. So now they have taken this and done exactly what we need them to do. So all those keywords that we want to compete for, we can put in there. However, I'm just going to do the first 5 here. Would be dog walking jobs, services, business, insurance, dog walking service. So we got, we got 6. Okay, so that'll be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to take this, do dog walking jobs, business, starting a dog walking business, volunteer. Actually, they didn't even put them in order. So we need dog walking jobs, service, business, insurance, and service. So we got services and service. Okay, so dog walking jobs, dog walking, what's the next one? Dog walking services. Oh, I'm sorry. I did the totally wrong thing. That's why this isn't like this. That's actually a different set of keywords I have. So is what we're going to do. We're just going to take the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Copy those. And so what I would do is I just click File, Save As, and call these tags. And I'm going to save these inside my dogwalkingriches.com folder. I always keep everything in its own folder. Oh, wrong folder. I have lots of folders, as you can see. Everything's organized into its own little folder. Startup niche, dog walking riches, traffic, and we'll call these tags. Click Save. I'm going to come in here, and right here where it says keywords, blah, 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 content equals, that's where we want to paste those. Just paste them right in there. And then content. Online course that shows you how to start a dog walking business. Don't try and get tricky here. Don't try and stuff a bunch of keywords into this. Just have your main keyword in there and exactly what your site or that page does. Now let me explain pages and sites, okay? So a website is made up of multiple pages, and whatever page within your website, so this is the website, these are the pages that make up the website. Whatever pages are in your website, you have to optimize each page to rank in the search engine. So if I was doing a content site and I had, 4 different things here, and all 4 of them were on a different topic but within the same niche, I'd have to optimize each page for these keywords. Okay, that's very, very important that you understand that. You're not optimizing an entire site, you're optimizing all the pages within a site. Okay, so if I had another page on this site, I would have to go and do the keyword research and find everything for that site too, for that page too. Okay, but for this, the index page, I'm basically done here. Now, a lot of people will tell you with on-page optimization, you got to make sure that your keywords are sprinkled throughout the text that's within let me get my tongue untied here. You have to make sure that your keyword phrases are sprinkled within the text on your page. When you have a website that you're trying to get someone to buy something from you or sign up or something like that, that all goes out the window. It's all about creating that copy to get people to do what you want them to, not to get people to your site, okay? This is just on-page optimization. There's two sides to SEO. This is on-page optimization, and we'll talk about off-page optimization next. Now, the next thing would be a blog. That's all there is for an HTML page. It's just what I showed you. Make sure that your keywords, if it's a content site, are within the content on your page. But if it's, a sales page or a squeeze page, customer capture page, something like that, you don't want that, okay? You want your copy to get them to do what you want them to do, and leave the off-page optimization to getting this to ranking in the search engines, okay? So let's talk about a blog then. So dogwalkingriches.com is done. I actually need to upload that. So click upload. Yes. There we go. And now notice, I want to show you guys something here. It used to just say Dog Walking Riches. Now that I've re-uploaded it, notice how up here at the top it says how to start a dog walking business. That's what you want to appear in the search engine so that interested people go, oh, that is exactly what I want to do. Click on your link, come to your site, the stuff on your site makes them buy, okay? So that's all uploaded, that's done. I no longer need my FTP program, I can get rid of that. Now, for a blog, there is a plugin called All-in-one SEO Pack. So we'll do All-in-one SEO, and this is a plugin. And let's see if we can find the plugin. Let's actually go back and search for All-in-one SEO plugin. And I want the site. Here we go. Here it is. And there's a link to this in your resources document too. So we're going to download this plugin first. And I'm just going to save it right to my desktop. Click Save. Takes just a second to upload here. Or download. Now we want to take this, unzip it, All-in-one SEO pack. Okay, now we want to go back, and now I actually do have to FTP to my blog because I have to upload this to my blog. This is just a plugin. A plugin is something that makes your blog do something it doesn't do out of the box. And doing SEO on a blog without using a plugin is really hard. You have to know a lot of PHP and techie stuff. So this is, I've gone into my public_HTML. I just want to go into WP-content plugins, and I want to take this plugin and I'm going to drag and drop it right in there. Down here I'll see that it's uploading. While it's uploading, I'm going to log into my blog. So we'll go WP-admin. Need to log in here. I'm logged in. Now I need to go and make sure that uploaded. It's uploaded. So I'm going to go to plugins. There it is. All-in-one SEO pack. Click activate. All-in-one SEO pack must be configured. Go to the admin page to enable and configure the plugin. Okay. So we are now going to go down through here, and it says plugin status disabled. We need to enable it. Home title. Okay, now for the New Age Hippie, I have a lot of different keywords and stuff in here. So is what I want to do is I want to look at all the keywords I have and decide which one is going to be the best to try and optimize my site for as far as competition and number of searches. Let's go in here. I've got several different categories of them. So I've got internet income. That one has 9,900 searches. We've got lifestyle design with 8,100 searches. We've got financial independence with 8,100 searches. Online income with 90,000 searches, which is what I'd love, but it's really hard to rank for that keyword. Let's see, how to get money without a job. Only had a few hundred searches, so that's not something I want to do, so I'm just going to totally get rid of that for right now. Internet income opportunities. I think I'm going to go with internet income as my main search term, okay? So internet income. So I'm going to go home title, internet income generation with the New Age Hippie. Home description. Learn how to design your own lifestyle. So there's that lifestyle design. Create an internet income and enjoy true freedom. So home keywords, comma, so internet income is going to be one of them. The next one here, let's see, need to pick 5 of them because we want to rank for 5 of them. Best way to make money online, going to grab that one, copy that out. I could go back into Micro Niche Finder and have it output these, but it's going to be a lot easier just doing it this way for this one because I have them in so many different ways here. We might use how can I make money online, best ways to make money too, but let's take a look here. Financial independence is one I want to do, and lifestyle design. Okay, and one more, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. One more here. It's dog walking, so I think I'm going to go back here too and do best ways to make money on, or let's do actually, how can I make money online? So these are the 5 we want to optimize for, okay? There we go. All of this information you can leave the same archive format. SEO for custom post types, use category for meta keywords, and actually on the all-in-one SEO page, if we go here and look, it also tells you what to do here. For the most part, this has changed a little bit since they showed that tutorial. So let me go here. Use categories for meta keywords, use tags for meta keywords, dynamically generate keywords for post pages, use no index for categories, yes. Use no index for archives, yes. Use no index for tag archives, capitalize category titles, exclude pages, no additional post headers, no. Log important events. Okay, so let's click Update Options. And there we go. Now there's an upgrade to Pro version they have here. I don't know anything about that. If we take a look. But at this point, all the SEO for your main blog is done. Of course, you will have to do, every time you make a post on your blog, you'll have to optimize it too. And we'll get more into that as we get further into this program. But the, let's see what the premium is here. Custom taxonomy support, advertisement free, ideal for developers, support form, advanced notice of new features. Yeah, no, you don't really need that. So we'll just say no to that. We're done with that. That's inside your resources document, the link to that. And now, that's all there is to on-page optimization. It's simply, having a good title tag, having a good description tag, and having good keywords that your site's going to be optimized for. Now, once you get these 5, that you're optimized for these 5, I don't recommend changing anything. Because if you change things within your site, that could knock you out of rankings for those keywords. So just leave those as is, and I'll tell you what to do once you rank number 1 for these keywords. Like I said, leave them as is as part of the on-page optimization, but we'll start off-page optimization with all the rest of the keywords, okay? Hopefully that's making sense. So just to recap here a little bit. 2 sides to SEO. Things you actually do to your page, to be on page. Things you actually do to your page, such as the title tags, stuff like that we just did. With blogs, it's going to be using this plugin because it's too hard to do it for blogs unless you know PHP. And then the second side of SEO is off page. Now, I know it's both OP, but it's on page and off page. Off page optimization is every other thing you do related to SEO to make your site rank in the search engines, but you can't do it on your site. And basically, that's getting backlinks. The 2 sides to SEO is making your site right and getting backlinks to your site for your keyword phrases. And that's what we're going to be doing throughout the next part of this course.